The applicability of the characteristics of the TJ series. Component position optimization. Torque converter fuel filler outlet leads to hinge plate. Improve the inconvenience of hydraulic oil refueling in the industry. Optimize the power switch. Easy 1. Handed operation even for women. You increase the handbrake bracket. The handbrake is within reach. Operation is more convenient. Move the running gears to the handbrake. Avoid bumping the driver's knee. Increased driving space. Fuel tank increased to 110L, compared with the fuel tank of about 80L in the same industry. The volume is increased by 30 to meet a day's working needs. Adopt oil mirror observation port. Reduce damage and other problems caused by harsh working conditions. Increase the fuel tank inspection port to facilitate the maintenance of the fuel tank. Fuel tank pickling and phosphating treatment. Built in strong magnet. Improve the cleanliness of hydraulic and fuel systems. Hanging brackets on both sides of the chassis. The design of this hanger avoids the wear of the rear hood during the lifting process. The rear hood opens at a large angle, easy to maintain. Built in SI length. Enhance the appearance of duty.